Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Aries, let's see. February. What's coming sa mga Aries? Elephant. Okay. Being regal. Majestic. So, maaring meron kayong mga physical changes na gagawin. This can be upgrade sa inyong physical appearance, yung inyong pananamit. Some of you maaring merong higher position na i-assume sa trabaho or a higher responsibility ngayong February. But I see recognition para sa inyo. Like, alam nyo kung sino yung mga taong sumusuporta sa inyo, bakit kayo ni sinusuportahan nila. Also have wave. Wave is about unity. This is about connection. Connection mo sa sarili mo. So, I think ngayong February, you will focus on developing yourself. Yung pag-develop natin sa sarili natin, pwede yung physical development, character development, diba? Or any type of improvement na gusto natin gawin sa ating mga sarili. And yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mga makakasama or mga susuporta sa inyo sa mga plano ninyo on improving yourself. You also have praying mantis. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are manifesting. You are manifesting your goals, your dreams. This is also about meditation. So, maaring iba sa inyo may mga forms of meditation kayong gagawin ngayong February or mas magiging seryoso na kayo sa pagme-meditate ninyo. This is also giving time para sa sarili. Yung peace of mind, ayan, gusto nyo na tahimik ang buhay. Or meron kayong oras para sa sarili nyo lang. Kailangan naman talaga natin yan. Hindi porket you are someone na parang in the public eye, ganyan, pagkakaitan mo yung sarili mo ng privacy. So, dapat meron ka ring time for yourself. Let's see what else. And yung iba meron kayong paninindigan sa inyong mga pangarap. Ayan. Kayo ay determined. Your overall energy is the Fool. Oh, the Fool is new beginnings, taking some risk. So, maaring iba sa inyo meron kayong iti-take na risk sa trabaho, sa relationship, sa project ninyo. Nakikita nyo kasi yung potential nito. So, kumbaga, susugal kayo dyan. Let's see your challenge. Oh, the Devil. Tapos biglang sugal, tapos biglang the devil, no? So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, merong kayong kailangang i-work out sa inyong obsession ngayong February. So, di ba sabi nila, anything na sobra, hindi nakakabuti na sa atin. So, maaring iyan yung self-reflection na gagawin ninyo to let go of anything that is no longer serving you. And start a new beginning para sa sarili mo. So, anything na naglilimit rin sa'yo in achieving your goals, dahil maaring iba, kasi fear din kasi to na parang natatakot ka sa mga mangyayari or sa mga bagay na hindi ka komportable or hindi ka familiar. Ayan. So, maari ring merong may temptation sa paligid ngayong February. This can be temptation sa mga pinanindigan nyo na hindi nyo nagagawin. 'Di ba? So kumbaga doon nyo masusubukan ang inyong sarili. And then your opportunity is the Queen of Wands. You have the opportunity to tap into your creative talents, creative skills. Marami kang kaya pang gawin. Ayan. So I think you are also exploring other interests, no? Yung mga aring may bago kang nagugustuhang gawin or may bago kang nagugustuhang i-explore sa life mo. So, ngayong February, you are finally taking that risk, taking that step, no? Nagtitake ka na ng step to make it happen para sa sarili mo. At mas focus ka rin. Kaya wag kang magpa-apekto sa temptation sa paligid mo. Focus on your goals. And then your blessing is the Tower. Oh my God. This is blessing in disguise. Kung ano man yung kailangan mo nang i-release, i-let go. Yan. Unhealthy habits or anything that is you are obsessed about na hindi naman nakakabuti sa'yo. 'Di ba? So, you are letting that go. And the moment na you let go of that, I think, mas magkakaroon ka ng clarity kasi enlightenment yan, no? You are, hanged man. Oo, this is about self-reflection, a new you. So, parang, ang blessing sa'yo ngayong February is a new version of yourself. Kasi nililet go mo na yung old habits mo. Yung old habits na hindi na nakakabuti sa'yo. So, let's see. Kumbaga may sense of maturity na you are upgrading, you are leveling up. Oops. Okay, lumipad. Unlikely. Mamaya tanong natin kung ano yan. Wish granted, meron kang wish na matutupad. Ayan. You are also going to be more hopeful, no, sa iyong mga decisions, sa mga choices mo, na tama yung mapili mong desisyon, tama yung mapili mong landas na tatahakin mo. And I also see you na mas magiging parang very forward. Yung tipong may pagka-aggressive, no, sa mga gusto mong gawin. And itong competence, no, so pagdating sa mga ipupursue nyo sa buhay ngayong February, talagang nandun yung determination ninyo. You're going to be more determined. At since you are going to be determined, then madali nyong ma-achieve yung mga goals ninyo. Healing. You are healing from your past. You are healing from the heartbreak. Or yung iba sa inyo, this can be physical healing kung kayo ay nagkasakit ng mga nakaraang buwan. Merong growth. So, this is also feeling feeling peaceful. Ayan, you will choose to be more peaceful. Family wishes come true. So, 'di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, merong wish na matutupad, no? So, maaring ito ay wish ninyo sa family nyo or wish ng family ninyo. Okay? So, pwedeng wish mo para sa pamilya mo or something that will benefit your family, your loved ones. Wow, there is success. Ganda. May success for you. So, whatever you're going to push for, Aries, magiging very successful yan. So, just, pay attention lang sa focus. Pay attention nga no? Kaya nga magpo-focus ka sa iyong, yung mood mo. Kasi minsan, kapag nasira yung mood mo, nawawalan ka na ng gana, parang hindi mo na ipupursue. So, stabilize mo yan. Disappointment in some affair. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong disappointment with someone. pwedeng someone that you are connecting with or mga makaka-deal mo. And happiness. Oh, ang ganda naman. So, you're going to experience happiness. So, I think part yan, tong happiness na to, may experience mo dahil you will gain success and at the same time, meron kang wish fulfillment. So, sino ba naman hindi magiging masaya sa pagiging successful at merong wish na natupad, di ba? Kindness. What if being kind to yourself really could change everything? Yes, you're going to be more kind to yourself. Iiwasan mo na yung pagsa-self-sabotage na yan. At alam mong, kung ano yung alam mong hindi makakabuti sa'yo, you're going to let that go. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.